Good morning students, English spelling list, and today we are doing the last words of column 5. Organization, Organization. So organization is a group which helps to do and to get a result. Like the organization of Dr. Jane Goodall is called Roots and Shoots. This is an organization of Dr. Jane Goodall, and she gives the message and she works and tells everyone to plant more trees and to protect wildlife. So the organization of Dr. Jane Goodall is called Roots and Shoots. Tsunami, Tsunami. Tsunami are very high waves. Drought, Drought. Drought is when for a long period there is no rain and the land becomes dry, no plants, and the animals start dying. Antarctica, capital Antarctice. Antarctica is the part of our earth, region of our earth which is covered with snow. And you can see that the southernmost region where it is covered with snow is called Antarctica. Originate means to begin. Where did it start? Where does it begin? Spelling of originate, Originate. So the big apple tree, the origin of this big apple tree was the apple seed. Definition, Definition. Definition means the meaning of something. Like the family. What is the definition of family? The family is the center of life and it is the key to eternal happiness. Electrician, you all know who is an electrician. Electrician. Machine, Machine. And you know computer is a super machine. Accessories, Accessories. Accessories are the things added to make the thing more useful. Like these are some of the mobile accessories. Neptune, capital Neptune. So Neptune is a planet. You can see the planets and Neptune is a planet. Terrible, Terrible. Means terrible is very bad. If you have a very bad headache, then you can say, I had a terrible headache. Attendance, Attendance. Like we teachers, we take your attendance. Every day we take your attendance. Even online class also we take your attendance. Opportunity, Opportunity. Opportunity means a chance to do something. So whenever you get an opportunity, a chance to do something, you should always do. Fright, Fright. Fright is a feeling of fear. Like some girls when they go on the stage or they have to speak in front of others, they have a feeling of fear. So you have to get over it. Okay? Numerator, Numerator. In a fraction, the top number is called numerator and the bottom number is called denominator. Denominator, Denominator. Rectangular, RECTANGULAR. Cylindrical, CYLINDRICAL. Omnipresent, God is omnipresent, that means He is present everywhere. Omnipresent, OMNIPRESENT. Punctual, punctual means to be on time. Punctual, PUNCTUAL. You should be punctual for your online classes also and for your offline classes also. So when the school reopens, whatever time, if it is given that your class will start from 8 o'clock, then you should come to school by 7:50, at least 10 minutes before the time. You should always be punctual. Gratitude, GRATITUDE. Gratitude means always be thankful. For I am grateful for all I am. Whatever you have, you should be thankful for that. You should be grateful, and that feeling of thankfulness is called gratitude. I am super grateful to be able to enjoy all the little things in my life. Migration is a movement of animals or birds or insects from one region to another, and they come back again to that place. So here the monarch butterflies, they migrate. This is the migration of monarch butterflies. Migration, MIGRATION. Occupation, OCCUPATION. Puzzle, PUZZLE. Obedient, OBETIENT. Remember, you should always be obedient to your parents and your teachers. Secrete, to produce a liquid substance. The spiders, they produce a sticky liquid substance by which they make their webs. Secrete, SECRETE. Self-esteem. Self-esteem, SELF-ESTEEM. Self-esteem means the confidence that I have, that I can do my work, like I have on my abilities, that I can do this. That is my self-esteem. Self-respect, I can do that. Delight, DELIGHT. It will be, delight means I will be very happy, I will be very pleased. So I will be delighted to see you all when the school reopens. Independence, INDEPENDENCE. So dear students, learn the spellings of these words and write the words in your rough copy. And dear students, learn the spellings, because when we have offline classes, I will ask the spellings. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless you all.